You can explore more of your favourite CBeebies shows on BBC iPlayer.
Sarah and Duck. Sarah and Duck. Sarah and Duck. Sarah and Duck. This morning, Sarah and Duck are in their living room reading the newspaper. Well, at least Sarah is.
Oh!
Ooh, you dropped something there.
Oh!
What are they?
Seeds. They sound small.
Why not plant them and see what grows?
Okay. Come on, Duck.
Is it not better to grow them in the back garden?
No. We will see them more here.
Quite right. Carry on.
Here?
Duck seems to approve.
Thank you, Duck.
Not wasting any time, are you?
No. Take a seed, Duck. One, two, three. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Finished.
Job well done.
Oh.
Well, you are covered, Sarah. You too, Duck.
Ugh, muddy Duck. Come on, let's clean up.
Aren't ducks supposed to like water? Anything happening yet?
No, not yet.
Oh dear. How about some dinner?
Okay.
So, what else are you doing today?
Waiting
Oh?
for the seeds to grow.
You know it could take a while.
That's okay.
Oh dear. Perhaps if you go to bed, it might happen faster. Morning, Sarah.
Morning.
Hello!
Hello! Hello!
Ahoy!
Ooh, hello.
They must be onions, though they don't look quite big enough.
They're onion children.
Maybe they still need a little bit longer to grow.
Well, we can help them grow.
Great idea. How are you going to do that?
Teach them things. Need to warm up first. Come on. Roly, Roly. Da, jump.
Oh, your vegetable book.
Root vegetables grow from their roots all the way up out of the ground. Here are some root vegetables. Carrot,
Yes.
Turnip.
Turnip. Turnip.
Marrow.
No. Turnip.
Okay, now draw your favourites.
Turnip.
Turnip.
Quack.
Not a bad likeness. Looks like Professor Duck has some teaching to do. Maybe some flying lessons? There you go, everything you need.
Turnip.
Oops. Oh, look at the book. Those vegetables seem familiar.
They're shallots. Shallots are like baby onions and won't grow any bigger. They're meant to be small.
Yep.
Easy mistake to make. Besides, you shallots may have learnt a thing or two.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
That's okay.
Yep.
Drums.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Hooray! Well done. Sarah and Duck. Sarah and Duck. Sarah and Duck. Sarah and Duck.
Do you love CBeebies? Well, you can learn, sing and explore with all your favourite CBeebies friends like Number Blocks, Mr Tumble, Bluey, Jojo and Gran Gran and so much more. Why not ask your grown-up to download the BBC iPlayer app where you can watch all your favourite CBeebies friends anytime, anywhere you like.